Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be here today to film this beautiful, gorgeous, silver, smoky, glitter look for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, you're welcome, and for my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Always, as in always, God Almighty will raise people that will support you in every area of your life. So without wasting your time, let's get straight to it. Bye. So guys, for this makeup look, I'll be using these two palettes by Juvia's Place. So the first shade I'll be taking is going to be this Morocco from the Nubian Place 2 palettes. This can as my base or my transition shade. And followed by this shade Madagascar, like a light brown. No, brown, in between light and dark brown. The next shade again I'll be taking is this dark brown, very dark brown, called Kenya. Then I'll apply it into my crease here. My crease, and I'm going to cut my crease above my actual crease. You know what I'm saying? To have a better place. So the next shade I'm going to apply, the Festival by Juvia's white shimmery shade, is that correct? Called Uli. Sorry, I don't pronounce it right. I did my eyeliner off camera. Is that off camera or off phone? Which one? I'm using phone. Off phone, off camera anyway. I will apply my glitter. My foundation, I will mix these two foundations together. Okay? So for my concealer, but it's quite lighter than my skin tone, for today makeup tutorial, I'll be using it as my concealer. Set my conceal area, I'll be taking this shade from Makeup Revolution palettes. This is broken, sorry guys. To give me that flawless look, I'll be using my Milani mineral powder. For my bronze powder, I'll be using Makeup Revolution. Yep. Give me that beautiful glow, I'll be using wet white highlighting powder. I'm going to line my lip with my lip pencil, and then this lime crime lipstick in shade pink velvet and flamingo. Then I'll be right back. This is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this extent, I say a big thanks to you. Thank you so much. I appreciate all